Have you ever questioned the reality that you perceive with your five senses? Is what you see, hear, feel, taste, and smell the ultimate truth? Imagine a young man, let's call him Arjun. Arjun leads an ordinary life until a series of misfortunes turn his world upside down. He loses his job, his health deteriorates, and his relationships crumble. Lost in the labyrinth of despair, he begins to question the reality of his existence. Arjun's story serves as a metaphor for a profound concept from Hindu philosophy, the veil of Maya. Maya in Sanskrit translates to illusion or magic. This ancient philosophy suggests that the world as we perceive it, the material reality, is transient and deceptive. Like a magician's trick, it captivates our senses, leading us to believe in the illusion. The veil of Maya is this grand illusion, this cosmic play that shrouds the ultimate truth from our perception. The reality we experience through our five senses is like a film screening on the canvas of this cosmic play. We are so engrossed in the movie that we forget it's just a projection, not the ultimate reality. This concept doesn't belittle our experiences in the material world, but rather offers a fresh perspective. It invites us to question our perceptions, to look beyond the apparent. Like Arjun, we too are on a journey to peel back the layers of illusion, to see beyond the veil of Maya. Arjun's journey is our journey, his questions are our questions, and his search for truth is a path many of us tread, knowingly or unknowingly. As Arjun stumbles upon the concept of the veil of Maya, he opens his eyes to the possibility that reality might be more than what meets the eye. He realizes that the material world is not the be-all and end-all of existence, that perhaps the ultimate truth lies beyond the realm of senses, hidden under the veil of Maya. Diving deeper into the veil of Maya, let's explore how it challenges our perception of reality. This is the inquiry that embarks us on a captivating journey. In the grand tapestry of life, we often take our surroundings, our experiences, the material world for granted as the ultimate reality. We invest our emotions, our hopes, our fears into this world, believing it to be the only truth. But the veil of Maya suggests otherwise. It proposes a thought-provoking perspective that the world we see, feel, and interact with is transient, fleeting, deceptive. A deeper look into the veil of Maya and its implications on our understanding of reality can be seen through the journey of Arjun. As he delves into the veil of Maya, he begins to question his beliefs, his perception of reality. He starts to see the material world as a shimmering illusion, a beautifully crafted deception. This leads Arjun to scrutinize current global events, the news he reads, the politics he discusses, the social media trends he follows. He begins to question, is this reality or another layer of illusion? The financial markets that fluctuate, the climate that changes, the technology that evolves, are these part of the absolute reality or just transient phenomena under veil of Maya? As he ponders these questions, Arjun experiences a profound transformation. He realizes that the veil of Maya is not merely a concept, but a perspective shift, a new way to perceive reality. He starts to understand that the material world, with its ebbs and flows, is not the ultimate truth. The true self, the eternal consciousness, lies beyond this veil of deception. This realization doesn't make Arjun aloof or apathetic. Instead, it empowers him to live life more mindfully, more authentically. He starts to see the beauty in transience, the wisdom in illusion. He learns to enjoy the play of the material world without getting entangled in it. What lies beyond our perception, beyond the veil of Maya? Let's traverse this philosophical landscape together. We've been following the journey of our young protagonist who's been grappling with the illusions of the material world. As we step into the final chapter of his journey, he stumbles upon the concept of the true self, a notion that's deeply rooted in the veil of Maya. Imagine waking up one day and realizing that the world as you know it is not what it seems. That's what happened to our young friend. He discovered that the material world with its myriad of distractions is transient and deceptive, a mere illusion. This realization was like the lifting of a veil, revealing a new perspective, a new reality. Now let's lighten the mood a bit. Picture this, our young hero, after his profound realization, walks into a coffee shop and orders a latte. The barista hands him the cup, and he looks at it, really looks at it. He chuckles and says, "So you're just an illusion, huh?" The barista, completely baffled, just nods and moves on to the next customer. You see, even in the most ordinary moments, the veil of Maya can bring a touch of humor and wit. But let's dive back into the depths of philosophy. The true self, according to the veil of Maya, is beyond our ordinary perception. It's not defined by our careers, our relationships, or our material possessions. It's an entity that's eternal, unchanging, and authentic. Our young man, now enlightened, realizes that his true self is not the reflection he sees in the mirror, but something far more profound. The young man, now enlightened, understands that the journey to uncovering the true self is an ongoing one, a journey beyond the veil of Maya. It's a journey we're all invited to embark upon. It's a journey that begins with a question, a spark of curiosity, and it leads us to places beyond our wildest imaginations. So, are you ready to go beyond the veil? So, are we all living under a veil of illusion, unaware of our true selves? As we draw to a conclusion, let's revisit the concept of the veil of Maya. This Hindu philosophy suggests that our perceived reality might just be a grand illusion, transient and deceptive. It postulates that our true selves are beyond this illusion, waiting to be discovered. We've ventured behind this veil, exploring the fascinating idea that the material world we're so accustomed to might not be as real as we believe. We've journeyed beyond the veil, seeking that elusive true self, unadorned by the trappings of illusion. This quest is far from over. It's a continuous journey, a path that leads us deeper into the realms of thought, exploring the vast landscapes of philosophy. And as we delve deeper, let's remember that the pursuit of knowledge is a journey without a final destination. If you've enjoyed pondering these philosophical concepts with me today, and you're passionate about the endless quest for understanding, I invite you to join our community of seekers.